Today's going to be a little bit different. Got the phone call yesterday, and I got a family member who has had to have some surgery, not going to be able to get in and out of his house very easy. But if you remember when we had this abandoned trailer that we got here a while back, it's got this handicap ramp on it, and we're going to dismantle this and we're going to take it over and install it so he'll be able to get in and out of his house. And like I said, this is a little bit different than what we normally do, but it's going to assist a family member, and they're going to be able to get in and out of their house, and it's going to save them a bunch of money. And I'm not using this right now anyway.
So do you want this off or not?
No.
No. We're going to try taking it apart here first and see if we can fit it on the trailer.
All right, we have taken this from here, dismantled it, and we have loaded it on here. And now we're going to be heading over about 45 minutes from here and reinstalling it. All right, finally we're here. We're getting ready to get the ramp set up, and we're getting everything together, parts that we had boxed up before, and we're going to reassemble it kind of in reverse order of us taking it apart. I know you didn't get to see that because I didn't record a lot of that, but you're going to get to see us put it back together, and you'll see the end result. He had the wrench in his pocket. It's hard to get good help.
Man, that's good help. You just ask for help.
Touche. Good down there, let him, you know, but put it up in there somewhere. Yeah, and then that way we can pull it tight that way and do the same thing over here. Pull it tight that way, and that way we'll keep from. Got it in an angle. We got it all done. Everything's installed. We got it anchored and tied down. Everything's leveled and set out. We got the base at the bottom so we can get and turn on a wheelchair to get in and out easy enough. It's anchored at the top so it doesn't come out, and I think it's gonna serve its purpose well. Yeah. Well, we managed to beat the rain. And mission accomplished today, so we got everything done we were planning on doing. It was a last minute thing, but when you get called from family and they say, hey, we need something done, you know, say, great, I got a ramp here we can use. I got my guys, we went and we loaded everything up, went over there and got it installed, and so I think everything is good. Everything's going to work out really well for him, and I hope that it solves his immediate need, and I wish him the best and hope for a quick recovery. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and call this one a wrap, and we'll see you next time.